Hey everyone, and welcome back to Sudama Lab. In today's video, we're taking a look at brand new Windows 11 25 S2 update, currently rolling out on Release Preview channel. As usual, this build should arrive in public stable release in about 1 or 2 weeks. This is probably a 2026 feature update, and it applies to both Windows 11 25 S2 and 24 S2. But for today's video, we're going to focus on Windows 11 25 S2 features that's been released. We've got quite new features and interesting changes inside Windows 11. So let's dive in. If you enjoyed a video like this, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss future uploads. Alright, let's get started. Now, if you want the best chance of receiving all new features, go to Settings. Then go to Windows Update. Then make sure this option is turned on. Get the latest updates as soon as they're available, and then click on Check for Updates. If you still don't receive everything, I'll be making a follow-up video on showing how to enable the manual features. Now, good news. There are no AI exclusive features announced in this build. Everything here is for standard PCs. It'll be interesting to see whether this signals Microsoft's plan to rebalance AI in 2026. But we'll have to wait to see. Windows now supports Emoji 16.1, adding new emojis across major categories including face with bags and on eyes, fingerprint, ruined vegetables, lipless trees, herb, shovel, and splatter. You'll find all of this in the Emojis panel. The first sign-in restore experience is not part of Windows backup for organizations. This automatically restores user settings, Microsoft Store apps, on first sign-in across Microsoft Entra or hybrid joint devices, cloud PCs, and multi-user environments. This creates a more consistent setup during refreshes, upgrades, and migrations. Quick machine recovery is now enabled by default on Windows Pro devices that are not domain joined, not enterprise managed. Those devices now will receive same recovery feature as Windows Home. For enterprise managed devices, quick machine recovery remains disabled unless enabled by IT. You can find them on our settings. Go to System and scroll, click on Recovery and scroll. Here is quick machine recovery. That's it. You got it. Microsoft has expanded the Resume feature on Taskbar. You can continue work from your Android phone using apps like Samsung Internet, Microsoft 365 Copilot directly inside the Windows 11. Now right-click on the network icon in the taskbar and you will see Perform Speed Test. This opens Microsoft Edge with Bring Speed Test page. You still need to press start manually. It's helpful for casual users, though it would have been better if the test runs directly inside Windows 11 or allow custom search engine. Still, it's a nice worker. There is a new entry in your account menu section that links directly to Microsoft Benefit page. If your camera supports it, you can control, pan, and tilt directly from settings, Bluetooth, and devices. Very handy for supported webcams. Sysmon is now built directly into Windows, allowing system-level monitoring to use threat detection. To enable it, go to Settings, System, Optional Feature, and More Windows Feature. Search for Sysmon, enable it, or install via PowerShell as administrator. If you already installed Sysmon manually before, uninstall it first. Widget settings now open in full screen, directly inside the widget bar, complete with smooth animations, nice visual upgrade. The search process icon in Task Manager now shows magnifying glass. Small change but cleaner. Now several storage dialogues like Deep Drive and VHD creation now matches Windows 11 design standards. If you click on Create VHD, the design and look is same as Windows 11. Performance is also improved when scanning temporary files within storage sense. Now also, some notable changes been updated to Notepad and Pen application. To get those all updates, go to Microsoft Store and then go to Downloads and check for update and get them all updated. This update also brings faster Windows Update settings page, improved login screen reliability, better nearby sharing for large files, more reliable Project Win Plus P pan, smoother high volume printing, File Explorer fixes, better device discovery on network page, faster resume from sleep or heavy loaded systems, improved laptop resume while docked with the lid closed, various visual fixes. Overall, this is a solid upgrade, bringing useful features, clean UI elements, and meaningful reliability improvements across the system. More details are available on the official Microsoft blog if you'd like to dig deeper. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed this video, please leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn notifications so you don't miss the future update like this. I'm from Sudama Lab. Until next time, take care and have a great day.